how have you been? Today we have something planned for you. We are taking you to Dollarama. Let's go. तो बेसिकली डॉलरामा ना थोड़ा स्टोर 99 जैसा है. अपना स्टोर 99 इन इंडिया वैसा सा है. सब कुछ $1 के अंदर तो नहीं है बट काफ़ी रीजनेबल है. और वहाँ पे क्या क्या मिलता है, लेट अस टेक यू देयर एंड लेट अस शो यू इन डिटेल. Here we are at Dollarama and let us take you in. There is a variety of things you can find here. Let us start with kitchen. What you see here is a lot of storage option for your food, a wide range of baking equipment, cute kitchen decor option just for $4. Spatulas, measuring spoon sets, baking cups and whatnot. You will find so many options for baking equipment here, and not to forget at a very reasonable price of less than $5. And then some other kitchen utility items like sandwich bags, ziplocs, back clips, etc. This is a pack of 5 clips for $4. And then you come across a wide range of household cleaning products like this one, a pack of 10 scrubs for just $1.25. And then there is a variety of household items which you need on a daily basis, like hangers, storage baskets, and let's not forget there are a lot of options for your little ones as well. A wide range of toys, affordable toys. A lot of snack options, chocolates, biscuits, cookies, chips, a lot of them. And now comes my favorite section, arts and crafts. Oh my god, the amount of options you have here is crazy. So before ordering from Amazon or any other website, please check this. This glue gun is only $4 and the glue sticks are only $2. And you see these water-based markers, just $4. Paints, color pencils, canvases, brushes, DIY kits, you name it and they have it. I feel you should definitely visit Dollarama if you're planning on a DIY activity. They have a lot of options for you. And that too pocket-friendly options. You'll see a lot of home decor products as well, like frames, such as this one which is only $2.50, and then these baskets which you can use in different ways. Look at how cute this one is, just for $3. So many options for organizing your home. Just like this little 3-drawer organizer is just for $4.75. I think it's great for makeup or stationery. And we are back to more kitchen stuff. So many options for bottles, and this one is a storage jar. You can use it for spices and stuff like that. Comes with a label and a chalk to write on. These shiny glasses you see, these are actually plastic and non-breakable, so these are $3 each, I suppose. $3 and $2.25. coming to another fun section. This is the party section, and you have so many options. Disposable crockery, gift bags, packaging material, party decor material. I think this can be your one-stop solution for your next party. Another interesting section is the beauty and the grooming section. Zaruri cheez. Honestly, I don't know how good the makeup products will be, but few things like manicure kits, cotton pads, makeup brushes, etc. is good. On our way out, we also spot these artificial flowers. So you saw that Dollarama has a lot of things to offer and at a very reasonable price. What are your top picks from Dollarama?
The kitchen utensils and accessories, especially like those lemon pods, onion pods, tomato pods,
Yeah.
and small containers. That is really helpful.
स्टोरेज के लिए बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि सारे हैं, ये बोरोसिल वाले भी हैं और यूज एंड थ्रो वाले भी हैं. लाइक किचन वाली जो चीजें हैं ऑफ कोर्स क्यूट हैं, तो बहुत कुछ लेने का मन करता है.
Second is the party accessories and party stuff, like especially the glasses, use and throw glasses, plates, and the decorations. There are a lot of variety of decorations. Plus the chocolates, like it's not in big quantity. You can just buy like one small chocolate and like you can have it.
Yeah, snacks are there. छोटे quantity में. Otherwise, wherever you go here, there's like a big family pack. Yeah, my top picks have to be the variety of craft items and painting, art related stuff. You are doing it only for a hobby, you have so much to buy.
There are a lot of DIY kits.
Exactly, like you have a lot, and not just art but like craft in general. And also there is a lot of affordable grooming stuff like your manicure set and your use and throw makeup brushes. And I think for the price they are offering at, I think
it is reasonable.
Another thing I just remembered is the storage options. Your makeup organizers and your clothes organizers and that.
Actually, even those laundry baskets were pretty cool.
Yeah.
That was really nice.
So I think these are the kind of things which you don't want to put a lot of money in, but you still want it. So this was our trip to Dollarama, and like everybody else, हम भी बहुत excited हो जाते हैं Dollarama जाके, क्योंकि इतनी सारी चीज़ें under one roof and at a quite reasonable price.
Very reasonable.
ऐसी बहुत सारी जगह हैं जो हम आपको दिखाना चाहते हैं and धीरे धीरे दिखाएंगे. अगर आपको हमारे व्लॉग्स पसंद आ रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, शेयर, कमेंट, शो अ लॉट ऑफ लव, क्योंकि बहुत मेहनत लगी है, बहुत हिम्मत लगी है टू स्टार्ट दिस यूट्यूब चैनल, एंड योर लव एंड सपोर्ट विल मीन द वर्ल्ड टू अस. थैंक यू.